You think so? Nah. Esta cosa va a quedar bien. Esta cosa, this thing. Look at the other one, Corvette. You see Marvin right there? Marvin and Cheitos, the kids, they doing good.
You trained them, huh?
Yeah, they have to.
Customer service, baby. You gotta treat everybody the same. Whether they have a Lamborghini, a Toyota, a Honda, it doesn't matter.
Alright guys, if the quality is lower on this YouTube video, it's because Jovid's rented out his other camera. We've been asking for a new video guy forever, honestly, and you guys see what's happening. He's renting out the equipment that we use for videoing. But yeah, anyways, right here is that Corvette that we showed you guys a few episodes ago. Chris Brown. This car was painted in a lime green color. All the sun faded all over the color. It was so beat up. It was messed up, fading everywhere. We had to primer the entire vehicle almost. But now you see it, it's back to green. This is actually a wrap. This is a Hexis material in lime green, really awesome lime green color from Hexis, and the car looks pretty much flawless. The carbon fiber was also sun faded. We re-clear coated it. Carbon fiber is not perfect, I would say, but it looks much fresher than it did before. Chris Brown handed this to his mother, so his mother is going to enjoy this vehicle. She's going to grab it. But yeah, lime green, wide body Corvette. We had to fix that up, just like a lot of these wide bodies we're fixing. We just got a call from Vegas for a Cullinan that has been absolutely destroyed trying to get a wide body kit. That car's coming for a fix as well. So I don't know what's going on out there, but you guys send your cars to shops that have been in business for many, many years, have paint booths in the store. You know, do your research, send it to the places. Don't be afraid to hit up the places that have big names like us. We do the proper job, so you get the job done once and right, and you enjoy it.
Here's content. Here's your, and he's eating it on the way here.
No, I'm good. Did you ask for ice cream?
Yeah.
And Sark is not even working.
It's not bad, yeah. It's about $1.50 a piece. Is it? Yeah.
Siempre, ¿ah? El empaque lo subió. El empaque. The other door, I don't want to film it. Yeah, you can film it, but
That's a little trick. We're gonna not finish the door.
no inside. No, no inside. No inside. Hey, you're necio, man. Chingados. Hey, I need no.
Oh.
I need somebody fix my motorcycle. I need somebody do the brake job and service. Fix the brakes and the service.
I would love to take this car to like Universal Studios Horror Nights. Just roll up in this, nice.
What did you guys do to this?
I have no idea.
This is the first full Ryft kit we did on a 720. Yeah, so we got the carbon fiber hood, we got the full carbon fiber fenders. You guys might have seen that on our Instagram, painting it. Front lip, canards, headlight bezels, side vents, all carbon, as you can see. Side skirts, carbon, mirror caps, carbon, roof scoop, carbon, wing, carbon. The rear whole bumper is new. The side vents are carbon, diffusers carbon, a lot of stuff in carbon. This McLaren is that special Solis Yellow color. It's that 3-stage metallic yellow color. Really, really difficult to paint. One of the hardest paint colors we've encountered. We had to paint pretty much the entire vehicle to make it right, and it looks absolutely flawless. Really pretty color. We've seen a lot of McLarens, modified McLarens in grays, blues, purple even, full carbon fiber, whites. I mean, we've done it all, but the Solis Yellow is a really nice color, and it goes really well with the carbon fiber. The wheels from Veloce, we did these wheels like a year ago. It was already lowered. We lowered it about a year ago with the wheels, so the wheels are very pretty, not over the top, nothing like that. Just really clean black wheels, 3-piece, of course, forged. Other than that, FI exhaust with the forged carbon tips. Sounds good, not too loud, good enough. And yeah, there you have it. Really different, unique carbon fiber Solis Yellow Mclaren 720S.
Was better Ryft or worse?
We sell all products. We sell all brands. For the McLaren, there's Ryft, there's Vorsteiner, there's 1016, there's Novitec. We've done all of them. We've enjoyed all of them. All of them are great kits. But the Ryft kit is a very, very nice kit on this car. One of my favorites for sure. So yeah, we're going to be doing a lot more Ryft stuff lately too. Ryft is coming out with also SF90 kit, SVJ front lips. We've done a few of them. We're going to be doing it on Mo's car as well. We'll show you Mo's SVJ, Mo Shalizia, of course, with all those cars. He was on our podcast like 2 weeks ago. He just got an SVJ. It's Nero Nemesis. It's beautiful. It's actually a SVJ that we sat in Clearbroad a while back. Somehow he found that car for sale. He bought it. So it's already a car we worked on before he even had it. So it always works out with Mo in some way or another. A lot planned. We had Novitec springs in stock, so we already are doing the springs. Literally, he bought the car this morning and we're already lowering it. So a lot to come.
The boss is here. What car are we picking up? Which it is, this one.
But they can take a smoke break and then we'll go.
Nothing like a Dunhill at the new shop, huh?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, what is this car for?
I could see you driving this back in the day.
That was one of my favorite cars.
But you wouldn't drive it?
I will, but it was I couldn't afford it.
Oh, really? How much was it?
It was like 100,000. This is always the 55. I don't know. I remember it was expensive. $1? Oh, turn.
Go straight, straight, pendejo, straight.
They're the f***ing animals, bro. They're the worst animals. It's not even a human. Okay, let's go.
Leave the key in there, leave it here. And just go give them an estimate. They just want an estimate, that's all.
Okay, then let me park it outside.
Okay, just
go inside.
Just go park behind that Toyota and then we'll move it. I think we can just leave it there, Santos. You can do it. We have a tire repair and nobody wants to do it. Yeah, it's a tire repair. Usually at this time, we're already so busy and like nuts. Our good friend Safe comes in and he goes, just hands me the key and he goes, fix my tire. So you gotta fix it. We don't want to, but we have to. Yeah, it's like they're having a serious meeting. All three of them are sitting down playing backgammon.
What are you recording there? What is this?
Moses was making fun of you.
It's not allowed up here. I don't know what he's doing here.
This guy just ate chocolate that was like 16 days old.
I tried to tell him we're close, but he didn't listen.
I was supposed to buy a SF90, so the dealership wired 760 grand or 860 grand to the guy, and I've been waiting for the car for weeks. Bro, he scammed them.
This was in the tire.
It's not bad.
If you love Artie Bailey, put it in your mouth.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, why would you do that?
Weed. You think this is gonna kill you? You think this is gonna kill you?
He eats Del Taco twice a week.
Whoppers and Big Macs. You think this is gonna kill you?
That was fast.
That's quick. Good job. Quick service, fast service. That's what we're all about, baby. No tire lights. Tire pressures have been stored, so now customers get to go. That was fast. Took less than like 15 minutes actually.
It was like 2 minutes.
2 minutes, yeah. You have nothing to do?
Who, me?
You just built that whole car.
No, wait. I have 3 more Urus.
There's a lot of cars still. After you're done with that, you're gonna do my Camry wide body kit.
Yeah. You know, I can find that this brand is, I cannot say the name, but it's a good brand. We can put in the car. Yeah, it's nice. The only thing we have to do is change the rims after. Like the Urus. RDB rims and your Toyota are gonna be nice. Psycho Vato.
Psycho Vato. You have animal hands.
Yeah, Luis did a good job on this bad boy, huh?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad. He took so much time on it.
This one you did good. This one was more smooth for you. How long did it take you to do this?
Please tell Santos or Javiero, torque the rims, please.
We're just gonna do a video right now. How long did it take you to do this kit?
6 months, I think.
6 months. Wow. But the thing is, when you want to finish fast, you can. So now everybody knows you can finish cars in a day. So when you take like 3 weeks to a month and a half, you screw up. Everyone knows. All right, it's almost 6 o'clock. I want to get out of here, go home, rest a little bit, and then that's it. I think they're upstairs playing backgammon again, huh?
Hmm?
Yeah, they are. Hey, you're coming tomorrow? Oh, shit. You gotta buy you lunch.
Yeah! What are you gonna get?
7-Eleven hot dogs.